Did you know you can start making money just by listening to music? Yes, imagine earning up to 4,700 naira without doing anything extra. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let me introduce you to Nuvia, a new way to turn your music time into money. First of all, welcome back to BJorest Affiliate. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make money on a platform called Nuvia. Don't rush, this is a secret platform that you don't know about, so I'm going to be revealing it to you now so that you can earn money while streaming or listening to music. But before we get started, make sure to like this video, comment Nuvia on the comment section, share this video to your friends, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. So let's get started. What is Nuvia? Nuvia is a digital music streaming service built to reward you. Unlike others platforms that only benefit artists, Nuvia ensures that listeners also get paid for streaming or listening to music. Yes, the difference between Nuvia and others platform that you know is that on Nuvia, listeners also get paid. That means if you are playing a song right now, you are not an artist, you are playing a song right now, and you, let me say you are streaming the songs, you can get paid for the song that you are listening to. And every songs you listen to, you earn 470 naira. That means in just 10 minutes, you are pocketing 2,350 naira. And if you go for 20 minutes, you are stacking up to 4,700 naira. Now, imagine doing this for an hour. Imagine listening to songs or music online for like 1 hour. Imagine how much you could make. But wait, it's getting better. Nuvia doesn't just pay you for streaming music only. Another way you can make money on Nuvia is by participating in social media challenge. Yes, you can also participate in Nuvia trending songs social media challenge. But because I don't want this video to be very long, I will recommend you check the description of this video. You will see a WhatsApp group link attached to. Click on the link to join my WhatsApp group. I will teach you a step-by-step ways on how you can get started on Nuvia. In case you find it difficult to find a link, just go to the comment section and type Nuvia. Go to the comment section of this video, type Nuvia on the comment section. I am going to send you the group link. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this crazy opportunity to turn your music time into money. So make sure to like this video, drop your comment and subscribe to our channel. In case you don't really get this video very well, Nuvia is a platform that pays you for streaming music online. Yes, by listening to your favorite songs, no matter the artist, even if it's Davido, Whiskey, Burna Boy, or any artist anywhere in the world, by listening to any of these songs, you will get paid for it, and you get paid 470 naira per songs. So each music that you listen to on this platform, you are going to earn 470 naira. So imagine streaming up to 10 songs in a day. This is crazy. Don't miss out.